Hello Bladers! Now that our government is already encouraging the use of bicycles, it is important to understand that you also need to maintain your bike just like any mobility units that has wheels. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Here are 7 things to consider to keep your bike in top shape. Every bike needs a little tender loving care to ensure you get that smooth ride you've been earning for. Let's get to know the 7 essential things you need to do to keep your bike in tip-top shape and ease your cleaning days. Number 1. Keep it clean. If there is one thing you can do to keep a long life for your bike, it is keeping it clean. Cliché, but true. Make sure to have a microfiber cloth, a bucket of soapy water, a sponge and an old toothbrush is all you need. Though a proper degreaser will help break down the oil and grit in the chain and gear sprockets. Number 2. Keep your tires inflated. Poorly inflated tires are naturally prone to punctures. Given how terrible the roads in the Philippines are due to flimsy humps and holes in the road, you need a standing track pump with a tire pressure gauge to do the job. Look on the side of your tire for a number followed by the letters PSI. That tells you how much air to put in. Number 3. Check your brake pads. Worn brake pads are a big no-no. You can tell they are worn out if you can hardly see the grooves anymore. Fitting new brake pads is a very cheap and easy fix. Broken brake pads will definitely lead to unnecessary accidents. Let's limit the hazard to you as a rider and always check your brake pads. Number 4 is to make sure you lubricate it. Buy some bike-specific lubricant and use it sparingly on any parts of your bike where metal touches metal. Note that there is no point in oiling your chain unless you have cleaned it properly first, or you'll just end up making it worse. Number 5. The power of latex gloves. Bike oil is such a drag to get out from under your nails. Every biker has experienced this and definitely is one of the most unhygienic memories you would have in cleaning your bike. If it's too late for that, scrub your hands with washing up liquid and sugar, only adding water right at the end. Number 6. Check if your wheel is true. Simply turn your bike upside down and spin your wheels. Thoroughly check it if it wobbles a little from side to side. If so, they need truing. This is a quick fix, but not one for an amateur, as you need special equipment. A bike shop will do this for a small fee. Number 7. Keep them protected. Motorcycle covers are not just for motorcycles. You can actually use it to protect your bike. Just make sure to get the smallest size fit for your bike. You wouldn't want it looking too big and weird. Do you agree with our tips in maintaining your bicycle? Or did we miss some of your routine maintenance? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.